Tired of the same old fonts in Google Docs? Craving a fresh look for your documents? Well, get ready to unleash the power of custom fonts in Google Docs. With custom fonts, you can give your documents a unique flair that truly reflects your personality and brand. Start by clicking on the font drop down menu in the toolbar, select More Fonts. Look at all these options. It's like a treasure trove of typography just waiting for you to explore. Use the search bar to find fonts that fit your style or filter by script type like Arabic or Chinese. You can also filter by font style such as handwritten, serif, or monospace. Select the fonts to add to your Google Docs library. Once you have selected your fonts, click OK to add them. And just like that, your chosen fonts are now part of your Google Docs collection. To apply the font, highlight the text, open the font drop down menu, and choose one of your fabulous new fonts. Look at that. Your text now sports a stylish new look. With custom fonts, your Google Docs can reflect your unique style and creativity. So, why stick with the default when you can explore a world of typefaces? So, experiment with different fonts and let your documents shine with personality. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.